Hello everyone and welcome back to Money Made Simple. If you're a recipient of the SASSA SRD R370 grant, you may have recently struggled with biometric identity verification. Well, there's good news. The eKYC system is officially back online and fully operational. 1. What is the eKYC system? First, let's quickly break it down. eKYC, Electronic Know Your Client, is SASSA's biometric identity verification system. It's a security measure to ensure that grants are paid to the correct person. Some SRD beneficiaries were recently asked to verify their identity using this system. 2. Why was the system down? However, SASSA temporarily suspended the eKYC system for maintenance, which caused delays for affected beneficiaries. Many people were frustrated because they couldn't verify their identity, leading to payment issues. 3. SASSA's official announcement, important notice to COVID-19 SRD Grant Beneficiaries. Well, here's the latest update. SASSA has officially announced that the system is back online. Here's what they said. SASSA wishes to notify COVID-19 SRD grant beneficiaries that the official eKYC system is back online. Clients can now do biometric identity verification. We sincerely apologize for the inconvenience caused during the downtime and appreciate your patience and understanding during this period. eKYC is used to ensure that SASSA pays the right social grant to the right person at the right time and place. Njalo. 4. What should you do now? So, if you were asked to verify your identity, here's what you need to do now. Step 1. Visit the official SASSA website, srd.sassa.gov.ca. Step 2. Click on the eKYC verification link. Step 3. Follow the instructions to complete your biometric verification. Step 4. Wait for confirmation from SASSA. Important reminder, be careful of scams. The only legitimate verification link is from SASSA's official website. 5. What happens if you don't verify? If you fail to verify your identity, your SRD R370 grant may be delayed or stopped. If you have any issues, contact SASSA via their toll-free number 0800-601-1011 or visit their regional office for assistance. 6. Final thoughts. That's the update on SASSA's eKYC verification system. If you or someone you know was affected, make sure to share this video with them. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.